It's your boy Daniel Son here, and today I got a Loot Crate edition. This is the first ever WWE made an agreement and a contract together with Loot Crate. So this is the first ever Slam Crate, WWE Slam Crate, powered by Loot Crate. Again, I'm excited for this. Not even been open yet. You can see tape's there. Alright, let's get that scissor, or we can use my handy knife. Cut that down. Cut it like butterfly. Okay. I love that knife. Alright. Woo, I'm excited for this, guys. I'm really the first thing with, you can see the New Day. The New Day and the unicorn. You can see in their face. Riding a unicorn. That's really kind of cool. It's a limited edition only. That's really cool. I like that. Next was Mitch. I don't know why Mitch is broken. Okay. I think they broke it by accident. But again, next time, please. If you're gonna, slam things, please, Loot Crate. Don't break it. Y'all saw it. Y'all saw me. I ain't slammed nothing. Okay. Mitch, the plant from Dean Ambrose show. The next one was Austin Aries NXT card. Talking about cards, I'm gonna do my review of all cards. I got a lot of cards to show y'all. NXT patch. It's kind of cool. Heavy. What is this? Ooh, Dean Ambrose belt buckle. I like that. Really cool. Loot Crate edition. That's kind of cool. I like that. What else? Sasha Banks, the legit boss. Glasses blue. That's kind of cool. I like that. I got the only gold one, but I got a blue one now. What else? Oh, this is sick. World Heavyweight Pin. That is sick. I like to keep these. Wow, they are doing really good. The next one, t-shirt, is Big Cass and Zoma. Yeah, let me get this better for you guys. Okay. Bada boom. Realest guys in the room. How you doing? Nothing in the back. Nearly nothing. I really like this. This is kind of cool. And what else is in the box? Outside with it, Xavier Woods. Just tell you the facts, how you doing, and the poster. Sasuke Nakamura. Really, really cool. Yo, this show did really good. look at that, the boxes with the New Day. This is awesome. Thank you. I'm not getting paid, or I'm paying this out of my own pockets, guys. You know, this is how much do I love wrestling. You know, wrestling and WWE, mostly WWE. I love WWE. And this is what I'm doing, paying out of my pockets to give y'all a show. And I love props. And this stuff, it's really worth it. I've been getting wrestle crates. I've been getting Luke. This is the first ever wrestling Luke crates. Slam crate, I'm sorry. But this worth the buck. I enjoyed it. Am I gonna get the most? All of them? Hell yeah, I'm gonna get them. I'm gonna get all of what I can. Am I gonna keep the box? I might not. You know, it's a box. It's cool, but I love it. But again, it's too much. It takes too much space. But these stuff, woo, awesome. Just mad, you know. Somebody throw out my, somebody slam my stuff. Try to make room for y'all. Well, again, thank y'all for watching, guys. This is worth it. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you guys soon. Bye.